Alright guys, what's going on? Today Ayla's behind the camera. We're going to unbox $1,700 rims.
What?
Yeah. We got new rims for the Dodge Charger. If you've been following my Instagram, I posted up some pictures of the tires we got, which are Mickey Thompson's. We got 28x6s for the front and 305 45s for the rear. So I'm guessing the front rims are on top and the bottom rims are on the bottom. But I'm super excited. She never cut towards you like I just did, but the excitement.
Never cut towards you.
Yeah, never cut towards you.
You might cut yourself when you cut towards you.
JMS drag wheel instruction. Alright. So here it is.
You can't see it.
Here's the rim.
Can't
How's
see
it look?
You can't see it.
Does it look good?
Can't see it because there's this film on it.
I know. Ooh, baby. Oh man, beautiful. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Don't lose the camera. Oh. So it's got a little tiny lip, and that's fine. Obviously, these are the 6-inch rims. Or I think they're 4s. 6x4.5.
I'm okay.
For the 6-inch tires. But
Your
it
head's
also
cut off.
said that it came with lug nuts.
Your head cut. When you were sewing the rim, your head got cut off.
Oh,
That sounded
and
weird.
here's the center cap. So,
Isn't there two? Ah! That totally did not scare me.
alright. Well, that's good that it didn't scare you.
It did scare me.
It sounded like it scared you. I think I found it.
Cool. I'm just hitting air right now.
So I wonder, they had to have known that I bought 2 sets, but I don't know if we're gonna get extra lug nuts. But there is 1, 2, 3,
4.
4 packs of 5 and some valve stems.
You just throw them everywhere.
I didn't know they were just gonna go everywhere like that. We won't be using the valve stems because we have the tire pressure monitoring system. But I'm pretty sure since there's 4 valve stems in there and there's 4 sets of lug nuts, that there won't be any in the rear. But
Okay.
Alright guys, and that is my $1,700 rims. And here's my tires. Got some Mickey Thompson Sportsmans for the front and some ET Street SS's for the rear. There's a front JMS rim and a rear JMS rim. And behind them is our Eibach Pro Springs. So we're going to put the new rims and tires on, and we are going to lower it all at the same time. So there's a guy named Jamie Hunt. I was on the Hemi Shop Talk, and I was asking a question about drag rims and tires. Who has them set up? Can you daily drive on them? You know, what do you guys recommend? And so some of the people showed me some pictures, and I decided that, yeah, it's not going to be the easiest daily driver setup, but we're going to do it anyway because, I mean, this channel, we want to go fast, right? So let's go fast. And Jamie was like, hey man, I think that I might be able to hook you up and get you a reduced price than what you would pay from Summit Racing, which was $2,700 for rims and tires. And I'm not going to disclose how much I actually paid, but I will let you know that it was over $800 he saved me. So if I was to buy the rims directly from JMS, or if I was to buy them from Summit Racing, I saved $800 by going with Jamie and him helping me out. I will admit that I was a bit suspicious about it at first, and I was like, man, I really don't want to send somebody, you know, $2,000 and have it be a total scam. I did PayPal goods and services so that if anything did happen, I would be covered, right? But man, it took about a month, maybe a little over a month. The tires came first. If you've been following my Instagram, you would know that. And then the rims showed up today. And I'm really happy, and I have to give you a huge shout out, Jamie. Thank you for helping me out and saving all that money. And thanks for helping me out. I will drop the link to your Facebook profile, so anybody watching this video thinking about buying drag rims, tires, car parts, whatever you want, he will get you his prices, and he will try to beat out your competitors. And he did a great job for me. He's gonna, you know, go to the end of the earth to make sure that he can help you guys as well. He didn't beat all the prices for some of the parts I was looking for, and that's fine. You know, you can't always win, but he did. I mean, $800. That's huge. That's huge. So thanks, man. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed yet, we're trying to build a single-digit drag car out of a Pontiac Firebird V6. We're getting rid of the V6 and we're going to go with something else. And we're trying to get our Dodge Charger that these are going on into the 11s. So if you want to see how we progress and what we build in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Love to hear from you, and thank you.